everyone, and welcome to the first video of my Python tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to teach you about what Python is and what you can use to do with it. So in short, Python is a general purpose programming language that is super versatile. Python is a super versatile language because using Python you can create something as simple as a Discord bot to a super complex machine learning model. Some things you can use Python for are artificial intelligence and machine learning. You can use it for automation, where you can create like a simple Python script to send an email. You can create websites, apps, and games using Python. And it's also largely used for data science. The first benefit of becoming a Python developer is the salary, because Python developers make a lot of money. According to Indeed, the average salary for a Python developer is $111,000. The benefit of Python is it's easier to learn compared to other languages. This table shows code snippets of printing a hello world message to the console. So the first row shows Python, and the code to print hello world is just straightforward print hello world. But when you look at Java and C++, you have to create classes and functions, and then you're able to print hello world. But with Python, it's straightforward and it takes only one line of code. The third benefit of learning Python is its amazing and vibrant community. So with Python, there are over 137,000 libraries that you can use, and libraries are just like code that someone else wrote, and you can import it into your script, and then you can take advantage of their code. There's over 7 million developers using Python, and it's been around for over 30 years. If you enjoyed this video and learned something from it, please make sure to like and subscribe with notifications turned on so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.